ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Tang hapo kandiat kenta baka Ïing Treikam juga Shillong Bar Association kepada Ïing nadu usnam kat handai sepakat lai kala Pluh akasing sajan ke apusau trek rumpang araja apusau mar u menteri rang ba kajela konat kongkel sangma ringkat kejing senran lang jo sembut menteri rang ba singa balang thar chief secretary ba DP walang bat ka deputy commissioner ke East Coast Hills ke kong RM Kurba kila poish kini ke Jaka ban pe ya kejing Pluh jo kini ke Ïing kepala rempha kini ke jela ha kejing kran bagi nolong kubor ula penpawe kejing skosi halor ni kejingja bat ongru bakat nat urban affairs jang sarkar jela kan sasim khia halor ni kejingja banwa ikilat kilinti nak benta banchna thmai ya kan ke Ïing Treikam ke bala rempha ke jela.
We are right here in the incident the spot and we are yet to determine the exact reason, but it seems that it's the electrical conditions that led to the fire out here in the judiciary area, mostly the bar associations here, and it's very unfortunate. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs, Chief Secretary, and the officials from the police department and the administration, we are all here. And of course, it's a very unfortunate incident. But we are very relieved that there's no loss of life and no casualty was there. But of course, the fact that the infrastructure is damaged and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously a concern. But we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage. And even now in the site, we are all here and we are monitoring the situation, and we want to make sure that no further damage is done. So I'm thankful to the fire department that is here to handle the situation, and of course we are happy that everybody is safe, but yet there's been a great loss. And but as a government, we will monitor the situation and make sure that overall there's no further damage to the situation, and and monitor the whole situation and see that no further damage is done in the situation. No casualty? No. No casualty? No casualty. Just make sure everything is okay. Yeah. Come on. Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center